Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video it's a beautiful buttercream foot-lighten cake with a marble effect. If you guys want to see how I made this, well, keep on watching. So this cake was a 6-inch cake. I stacked it like I normally did, and then I did my coat of buttercream, pop it in the freezer, and then I prepared my acetate sheets. This cake, what I loved is that I kind of wanted to do something different. I've done so many different foot-line cakes before with a marble effect, and I'm like, can I do a two section marble look? And I love the look. I really like the way it came out. So it's very simple to do. You need this is what it's acetate sheet. Okay, when I say acetate sheet, this is what it looks like. Many bakers use these, and I really love the product. So everything that I'm using, by the way, in my videos is linked in my description box. So you have the video, there should be like a little like arrow. Click on the arrow, and then it will bring you to all the description of the video, and everything is there. So like that, you can go ahead and see what I use. And sometimes it's difficult because it's discontinued, so I can't really obviously give you a link, but I do my best and I try to link everything. So what I did is I used these, and they come in different sizes. I always buy the higher one, and it doesn't necessarily mean that I'm going to use this height, but the reason why I use the highest one is like that if ever I'm using it with my cakes, I could go as high or as low as I want with my buttercream. So in this particular case, I didn't want the crisp look at the top. I wasn't looking to have the perfect edges. That was not the look that I was going for this particular cake. So I was just randomly putting buttercream onto my acetate sheet, and for that beautiful color, before I did spread buttercream, what I did is simply took a toothpick and I dipped it in my gel food coloring, and then I simply basically smudged it onto my acetate sheet, and then I went ahead and spread my buttercream and kind of mixed it a little bit, and then I gave that really beautiful lines. The more you smudge, the more you mix, the more it's going to be smudged. The less you mix, the less it's going to be smudged. So, and you can also do like different colors or different patches colors, but I wanted the color to really pop, so this is why I use white buttercream. So once that was done, I placed the acetate sheet at the top of my cake and then pop it in the freezer. Super important that your buttercream sets. You're not gonna just place it and then remove it. There's no point of doing that. You're just going to mess up the whole entire look. So pop it in the freezer until the buttercream has set. If it takes 15 minutes, it takes 15 minutes. You really have to be patient with this. Then once that's done, you can go ahead and then simply remove the acetate sheet and then wash your piece. Make sure that everything is nicely dried up, and then repeat the process for the bottom piece, and then you get that two effect, and it's beautiful because they don't go together, but they kind of do. So you get that really odd line in between, and then same thing at the top. And just to make sure that I'm giving more interest, and because I'm extra, I went ahead and then painted with edible metallic paint on the edges. Now, the edible metallic paint, I say it in all my videos and I will repeat it here. Super important, and I said it, edible, that it's edible. You want that stamp. You don't want any shiny product on your cake and it's not edible. There's a lot of products out there and it's not edible, so unfortunately you don't want that. So yeah, and then you paint all the way around, and then you finish the look. I did with synthetic flowers, and I got myself a beautiful cake. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. I wish you all a beautiful week and see you in the next one.